the A-B.
Hey Banks gang, it's Anylah here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my children's school supply technologies. With further ado, let's get into the unboxing. For those of you who do not know, I am homeschooling my children ages ranging from 3 to 17 with one on the way. For the 2024-2025 school year, I'm gonna give it a try. They say you can't knock it till you try. Honey, I'm about to try it because I am tired of these schools. So this is the first package. I bought this stuff so long ago, Lord. So first package is a 7-inch kids tablet by Contixo. Funny fact about me is I don't know how to work technology. Check the description box for all the links. I will post the links for everything. And this was all quite cheap too. But this one say from ages 3 to 10. Cool. Blue is for juice. I think I got this one for Juicy Woosey. I got the shakies. This comes all like that. So what you get inside is the tablet. I like the fact it came with a case. We got some instructions. Oh, and they gave some little stickers too. How cute. We got a charger cable, but no base. I don't know if y'all can hear my children knocking at the door. What do you need, Cece? I'm busy right now. Come back later. Okay, give me a second. I try to turn on. While this loading, we'll go to the next one. Same one, but a different color. And this one is for Connie. And this one is red. Come with stickers again. Instruction manual. The charging USB cable, but no base. And they got the buttons and stuff up here. So I'll leave this one to the side too. Let's try to do this together. Start. I know I'm supposed to peel this plastic off, but I didn't. Oh, I got connected to Wi-Fi. It got 32 gigabytes. That's gonna take some time. So this is the next one. I think this one is CC's. Drop proof case, front and rear facing camera, 16 gigabyte flash / 32 gigabytes. eMMC storage, rechargeable 3100 mAh battery, Bluetooth 4.2, Android 11 OS, whatever all that mean. Right off the bat, we got the case, some instructions. It look like no sticker ickers. The actual, I'm sorry if I'm late. The actual tablet. What's in here? The USB cable and a base. You get a base this time. My lighting doing a little crazy. This is CC's. I'm gonna cut hers on. Is it dead? All right, so hers is completely dead. Everything got this charger thing. What is this? The C? Something like that. You know, I don't know. Shit, I be trying to learn from my kids. Oh, I'm gonna go put this in the wall. Be right back, y'all. And then we got, I bought some PCs. This, whatever this is very durable. So these refurbished, these refurbished computers, PCs. So I tried, y'all. I really did. I tried. The lighting gonna be a little wonky. I'm sorry. It came with the thing in there already, the charger piece. I know y'all can see that. Got a few little markies on them, but not bad. Like, not bad at all. Do it work? Is the question. Oh, this look nice. This look real nice. Do a work haircut on button. Do it need to be in the wall to? I think this one there too, y'all. I'm about to go charge it up, I guess. Oh, y'all see it back there? Look. It cut on. I got one more. This one is bugs. I feel like you could use the plastic stuff here as like a flotation device. This one did not come in there already. What's these called? The zippers, the ties. These came with 2 ties on it. That one didn't. But like I said, these is refurbished. This one got a few scratches on it, but not minor. Nothing major. That's what I meant to say. And then same here. This looks pretty good to me, you ask me. Probably not. I'm gonna go put this one on the charger. I unboxed 3 tablets, 2 personal computers, all the technology that I have. But what I am going to do is create an account. I don't even know how to explain that. It's basically where you pay, I think it's like $100 or something like that. I don't know if it's for the year, a month, I don't know. But they have it for all ages and they give them the courses and all that stuff. So that's what they're going to do on those 2 computers. Tablets here, they gonna do their stuff there. But because it's homeschooling, of course, everything is not gonna be done online. At least in my household, we ain't doing all that. I did stop at Wally World and I did buy these hanging file folders because I do have a file cabinet right there. I have to put their stuff in the file cabinet. So when you homeschool, you're supposed to keep a paper trail, if you will, on the things that your children have learned and are learning, and grades and attendance and tests. I got these for the children's. It's a 25 count. It come with these little thingies, like the tabs, and then you got 4 colors. I got these so that I can label them for each child, and then label, you know, some for like attendance, tests, stuff, you know, all that stuff. I also got a 2024-2025 planner. And the reason why I have this is because one thing about having children is you have to have a schedule. Okay, you gotta have a schedule. You need to wake up at a certain time, need to do the schooling during a certain time, needs to eat during a certain time, needs to get in the tub by a certain time, needs to go to bed by a certain time, rinse and repeat. Okay, if you don't have your children on a schedule, your household is going to be hella chaotic. Been there, done that, don't want to do that no more. So yep, so you want to schedule. Okay, this is for school. We're going to schedule. I bought this one because they have different kinds, and I got 5 children. Okay, so this little square ain't gonna do nothing for me. So I got the one where it got the little squares and then the bigger squares. And what I plan on doing, I plan on putting down what classes and stuff we're gonna take. Cause in the state of Wisconsin, I think it's 800 and some, don't quote me, like 875 or something like that, 100 hours you have to complete in the school year for the children. And they have it, I think it's 3 or 4. I'll pop it on the screen somewhere of what is required in the state of Wisconsin to homeschool children, the curriculums, the classes, the classes that they have that's mandatory that they have to take. So of course those are going to go on here, but we're going to incorporate other things like culinary arts. We're going to do like banking, like taxes, like gardening. I got science experiment, like hands-on science experiments that I want to do with them. And that's what's going to go into it. Because, I mean, think about it, like, you send your child to school for all these years up until high school graduation, and they don't even teach your child, like, I mean, they teaching your child how to be a worker, and if that's what you want your child to be, that's absolutely fine with you. But they don't even teach your child how to dress appropriately for a job interview, what to say to a, like when they go to a job interview, what questions to ask, what to stay away from. Like, that's kind of weird to me. You want them to be a worker, but then you don't teach them how to be a worker, like how to get to be the worker. You know what I mean? So weird, but I'm going to teach them a lot of things that I wasn't taught as a child that I had to learn later on in life. And I feel like my life could have went way easier, way smoother. I could have like avoided so much shit if I would have knew those things ahead of time. They say if you know better, you'll do better. So now that I know better, I'm going to implant it into my children so that they can do better. So yeah, I got this. Let me show you what else I got. Okay, these are the last two things I'm going to show y'all. Because like I said, everything is not going to be learned on the technological devices. Technology. The damn devices. That's what I'm trying to say. The devices. So I had bought this from the $1.25 tree. Yeah. It's just a banner, the ABC banner, and for my older children, of course, they already know their ABCs. They're going to be in a different area. But for the younger three children, what I'm going to do is have a designated area, which I already have. I just got to start putting this stuff up, making it kid friendly, homeschool friendly, you know. And I'm going to put this on the wall. So it's from A all the way to Z. And then I got some more stuff in the mail coming to go on the wall. But I also bought this thing here because that wall is super huge and I got little T-Rex arms. My arms don't go that far. Okay, so I need some help. So if I could use some to point at what letter is this, class? You gonna see. Okay, because if my fingers can't touch it, I got another finger that will. So I got this from $1.25 tree too, y'all. It's called a classroom pointer finger. And if anybody is interested in this, it's the alphabet border. I got to start decorating this stuff. And like I have on my to-do board, I got some dry erase boards, like some things I already have at home that I'm going to put up. I got to come up with the curriculums, like actually put it in order as to what day. I also got to figure out what day I'm going to have them start school. I know I'm going to have them start school in August, like mid-August. Well, today is August 1st, but I don't know if I'm going to have them do the second or third week of August, but I'm trying to get on it, okay? But I have like more dry erase boards over there. I got a Cricut machine to help me with some stuff. We have three printers here. You're going to need a printer and some ink so that you can print off things to store them in that, what you call that? In the hanging file folders, manila folders, file cabinet. Okay, you want to keep your paper trail. So I got that going on. I got a lot of like pencils, erasers, markers, crayons, colored pencils. Got another computer. I got another computer. I went a little OD. Dry erase boards, the dry erase board markers. I got paint. I got a lot of stuff, okay, for like art class. I got a lot of things at home that fortunately I don't have to go out to go buy. Yay for me. There are just a few things that I do got to pick up before school start and get this all together. If you want to see me decorate the wall for the younger children and how I'm putting it together and like what I'm all putting down there, what I'm all using, how I'm setting it up, make sure you drop that down there in the comment section. Say, I want to see you set up the room for the younger ones, and I'll make that video for y'all. Those two PCs that I have right there, like I said, I got them from Wally World, and I think they was like $45 a piece, super duper cheap. And then these tablets, the red and the blue one, I had got it for, I want to say between $30 and $40. And then same thing with the orange one too. Cheap, but I even got it cheaper because Walmart had did some shit and they had to give me $25 gift card. So that's besides the point. Anywho, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Share this video with your family and friends, and comment down below any questions, any opinions. Like, we could chat about it down there. We could debate if y'all want to. We can, you know what I'm saying, Bangs Gang? Y'all know how we do. I can't breathe, y'all. This feels so good to have my stomach up. If y'all want to see me paint my stomach, then get this video a likey like. Okay. With that being said, me love y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Toodaloo.